Hi, my name is Jeff Grabacki from Dynaswivel Power Tools, and today we're going to show you the Dynaswivel airline connector, kind of like a before and after. Great for any utility type tool, such as this disc sander here. This is the before. Fighting the air hose. Now the after. Much easier to use on this little die grinder. Need to get into some tight areas, reach anywhere easily without fighting the air hose. 360-degree maneuverability, total flexibility. The nice thing about the Dynaswivel feature is you can put this on, again, any type of utility tool. A non-percussion type tool is preferred. It's not made to withstand any jarring or impact, but again, a disc sander, die grinder, little 3-inch polishing type tool, belt sander. Now your air hose can drop directly to the floor, no matter which position you hold your tool in. 360-degree flexibility once again. Nice, easy to use, non-restrictive, high airflow, also non-marring